Imagine being able to look at the hidden dangers inside of your body decades before a diagnosis. Now, you may have already heard about these full body MRI scans, and the reason why they become so popular over the last few years is that they're able to detect dementia, Alzheimer's, blood clots, aneurysms, and even cancer at stage 0 decades before they become an issue. The technology is actually so amazing. This is something I've personally been doing now for over 3 years, and it's what I recommend to my private clients, my family, and really anyone that's looking to learn more about their health, their longevity, and what they can do to improve their overall wellness. But truthfully, the main reason I do it and recommend it to others is peace of mind. I'm not a paid spokesperson for any of these full body MRIs, but I believe in them so much in their ability to look inside of your body down to the millimeter. It's why I recommend it to so many people, because I know that about 14% of people will find something. That's the statistic. It could save your life or a loved one's life. And truthfully, that's why we as integrative health practitioners and naturopathic doctors do what we do. So what I want to do right now is actually demystify this whole process. You watch me go through it, you'll see me get my full body MRI scan, and I'm actually here at one of the Pronovo locations in South Florida. So I've been coming to this Boca Raton location now for about 3 years, and what I'll say is that they actually have locations all over the United States. You can choose the location that might work for you, or find another good non-contrast full body MRI. Let's head on in, let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna head in now, and this is the changing area where I'm gonna be putting on these scrubs to go in. So basically, you just have a professional, nice set clean of scrubs that you're gonna go into the MRI in. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just got my results back from Pronovo. So basically, this is what the back end of the website looks like. Super easy to use. If you look at the nervous system and brain setting here, I will look at anything that might have come up with the brain, because remember, this is a whole body MRI and actually looks for early dementia and Alzheimer's. And you see that there's no aneurysms, there's no cysts, there's no brain hemorrhages, there's no variations in the brain, so that's obviously great to see. You can click on any of these and learn a little bit more about them. Oftentimes they have easy videos that you can watch and follow along with. So when they looked at it, what do they find? Well, they found a couple things with my spine. So I've already been aware of this. I've had quite a few injuries since high school in my spine. Nothing major. I literally have no pain. I feel great overall, but it's nice that they're able to assess this. So they found a little bit of scoliosis. This is something that a family member has as well. But when you click on it to find it, the degrees is estimated to be mild and centered mainly in the thoracic spine. And so obviously you can go over this with your radiologist. They have excellent people that can explain all of this to you. But truthfully, this is no real concern. I work on my core. I've never felt this before in my life. There's been no pain at all. We can click on any of these right here and just start to look at some degenerative discs that I have, L4, L5, and L5S1. This is basically the bottom of the lumbar spine moving into the sacrum. I injured my lower back actually a couple times in high school and in college playing sports. So again, I already knew about this, but again, great for me to be able to see it. Just some informational finding on the vertebrae. Again, a couple vertebrae-based issues. Just simply, I'm in my late 40s now. I've had some injuries over the years, and that's basically what we're looking at. So if we look at the next one, respiratory-based findings, what do we find? Sinuses and mastoids. Remember, I had, basically we'll call it 27 years of allergies and mast cell activation syndrome and all sorts of issues. So essentially what they found is some thickening in the sinuses right here, but the mastoids are clear. And there's just basically a little bit of thickening there, no big deal at all. So the nice thing is I'm able to go through this report. Everybody's going to find a little something, but honestly, there's nothing major, and that's what I'm looking for. What I'm really looking for with this report are blood clots, aneurysms, and potentially cancerous-based cysts. I'm very fortunate, very grateful that there are none of those, and here's the good news. Each and every year takes just about 45 minutes. I get the results back, and I feel good. I feel great for another year. I keep doing the things that I know keep me healthy. I get back the results, and each and every year, I hope that they're clear. And so far, so good now, 3 years running.
All right, so that was it. About 45 minutes watching a Netflix show, taking a little nap, and honestly, just the peace of mind going in there once a year, getting the all clear, or if there's any small little cysts, simply keeping an eye on them year after year allows me to be able to breathe easy at night, sleep easy, knowing that I'm able to detect cancer, Alzheimer's, and so much more at essentially stage 0. And at stage 0, we can do something about it. We're able to fix it. We're able to rebalance the body from a natural-based methodology. And honestly, that's what we're all about. And the other great thing is that with the technology we have now and the advancement in health and in medicine, you don't want to be able to miss these things when keeping yourself healthy for simply the next 3 to 5 years is going to enable you to add another healthy 20 years to your life. So if you're interested in adding another healthy 20 years to your life and you want to live the healthiest life possible, doing a full body MRI is one of the best ways to be able to find things at the earliest stage when there's something that you can do.